Hi, I'm Nick here with WinChoice USA, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about our window replacement and repair services here in the Oklahoma City area. For years, WinChoice USA has been the premier source of window replacement, window repair, and window installation professionals here in the southeast region of the United States. Our team of window specialists is here for all your window needs, whether it be repair or installation quotes, window inspections, or help shopping for the ideal windows for your home. If your window's been damaged for any reason, our experienced technicians will provide you with the advice necessary to remedy your situation. Here in the Oklahoma City area, storms, humidity, and improper installation can all affect the stability and efficiency of your windows. And with one call to WinChoice USA, you can expect a high quality and speedy repair. If your windows are unable to be repaired, or if it is simply time for a new window, our dedicated team is here to help you find replacements that meet both your needs and your budget as well. So next time that you need window repairs or window replacements, think WinChoice USA, your local Oklahoma City area window professionals. Have an amazing day.